my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Billie performs Sweet Tooth live on Wish 107.5 bus. So I'm super excited kasi sobrang tagal na nung shoot nila tong Wish bus na to. And nauna na yung bikini, kaya I'm super excited, diba? Yung live vocals nila dito sa Wish bus lagi. And by the way guys, after ko i-upload tong reaction ko na to, is i-upload yung reaction ko dun sa performance nila sa ASAP. Actually, nauna ko na siyang i-video kanina before to. Pero, uunahin ko munang i-upload tong Wish Bus kasi ito yung latest upload ngayon. So, yung ASAP naman is kahapon. Kaya, uunahin ko na tong i-upload. So, stay tuned for that. So, hindi ko na to patatagalan. Let's start. Naalala ko yung visuals nila dito, yung outfits.
Wish 107.5.
Your love is sweet like watermelon.
Oh!
It's probably not so good for me, but I don't care at all.
Her voice.
Candy crush, I hope it's never gone. Soon I'll get a cavity deep inside my heart.
But how can I self-regulate? Your love has got me hard. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Wait lang guys, bago mag-chorus. Grabe yung boses talaga nila. Alam mo yung nag-goosebumps ako. Like, yung feeling na, basta sobrang lamig na ang perfect ng boses. Like, hindi ko maiiwasan
Soon I'll get a
mag-goosebumps.
cavity deep inside my heart.
But how can I self-regulate?
Oh my
Your
God.
love has got me hard. I should try something healthy, but it never tastes as good. Me and my sweet tooth.
Oh my gosh, Mika's
Help if it wants
lower
you. There's plenty
register.
worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet
Grabe yung mga adlibs talaga mo.
problem with the heart candy rocks. Oh, you
God.
really have to work for it.
This Colette, this visual, this outfit, this look on Colette.
Candy rocks.
Oh my God.
You really have to work
I miss
for
you so
it,
much.
Still don't get a lot.
Torian,
Oh my God,
still
Aya.
up in the dark.
Her voice.
Buzzing off the sugar rush, I tried to make it stop. But how can I self-regulate?
This Colette! Guys, grabe yung goosebumps ko.
Sugar rush, I tried to make it stop. But how can I self-regulate?
Wow.
Your love has got me
Her
hard.
eyes, her
I should
voice.
try something healthy, but it never tastes as good.
Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help if it wants you.
I know there's plenty worse addictions, but I just
Wow.
can't help the feeling.
Me and my sweet tooth.
Hey, you wanna get over it, but do
Okay,
I
Maloy.
really want to? If I'm out late at night,
Ganda
trying
nila.
to find my sweet tooth.
Wanna get over it, but you really
Oh my gosh, narinig ko yung low register ni Colette.
Find my sweet tooth.
wanna get
Tsaka ni
over
Sweet.
it, but you
Ni Gwen.
really want to. If I'm here every night, dreaming about your sweet tooth.
Grabe yung iba talaga sila ng tono ng boses. Pero pag nag-harmonize sila, yung sinasama ng adlibs, parang alam mo yung swak na swak talaga yung
Here
boses.
every night, dreaming about your sweet tooth. Me and my
Oh my God.
sweet tooth. Now I can't help it.
No scrunch.
Wants you.
Effortless.
Worse addictions, but I just can't help the feeling.
Grabe yung puti talaga ni Stockton.
Sweet tooth. Me and my sweet tooth. Now I can't help if it wants you.
Hindi ko titigan ng ganyan.
But I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Eh. Di ba kahit sa simpleng ganito, grabe yung synchronization. Like, di naman planado.
Addictions, but I just can't help the feeling. Me and my sweet tooth.
Look at Joanne Malone. Let's go! Di ba? Si Aya, parang simple lang din nagalaw, pero
Wish exclusive
in sync pa
on
din.
Wish 107.5.
Oh my God, good!
Sweet tooth than you.
Wow! Grabe yung goosebumps.
107.
Let's go, Colette.
Wish exclusive on Wish 107.5.
Me and my sweet tooth than you.
Grabe talaga yung boses
Hi
sa visuals.
Wishers, we are Beanie. For more Wish-exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.
Oh my God. So, ayan, grabe talaga pag nag-wish bus ang Bini kasi rinig na rinig mo yung live vocals, yung adlibs nila, yung harmonies, and grabe, itong wish bus nila na to, I think one of my favorite wish bus outfits nila kasi sobrang perfect, sobrang ganda, lalo na kay Colette at saka kay Gwen. Grabe yung hatak sa akin ni Gwen dito sa outfit niya na to, sa look niya na to kasi sobrang, oh my gosh, tapos long blonde hair, di ba? Grabe si Gwen dito, yun lang masasabi ko kasi given na yung kay Colette kasi bias ko siya, pero grabe yung hatak sa akin ni Gwen dito sa event nila na to, sa wish bus nila na to. Grabe. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!